guys, Simone again here with White Diamond Services LLC. Welcome to another video, and today we're going to be talking about sanding drywall. Before we get to that, we are a local contractor in the Baltimore, Maryland area. We do framing, drywall, painting, flooring, tiling, kitchen remodeling, bathroom remodeling, and lots more. So if you're in the search for any of these services, give us a call. Anyway, let's get to our video on sanding drywall. You will need a few things. You're going to need your sanding block. That's for manual sanding. You're going to need your electric sander. That's going to make you go much faster and higher up on the wall. You're also going to need a drop cloth. And that is to take care of any dust or anything that's going to go on the floor. And you're also going to need plastic sheeting. And that is to cover any furniture, because if you don't, it's going to be white like flour. You don't want that, especially if you're working in an occupied space. You need to protect your client's furniture or anything, they have that you don't want dust to get on there. And if you have like a door, make sure that door is closed. And then you also put a piece of plastic to cover over the door area. Also, very important, you want to make sure that you're wearing a mask at all times. This is a lot of dust, okay? Protect yourself, wear your mask. So here in our video, you're going to see our painter. In our video, you're going to see our contractor, and he's going to be all white. Just watch the video. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed our video on sanding drywall, and we will see you on the next one. Peace out.